Do you know how safe your Medicare number really is? I'll show you how you can protect that very important number today. I'm the CyberGuy, and I've got all the ways you can take back your privacy online simply by going to cyberguy.com, my site, and just sign up for my free newsletter. So why would a scammer want your Medicare number? Well, if they obtain it, they can pretty much use your medical insurance as if it were their own. Here are some warning signs to watch out for. First, if someone calls you to confirm your Medicare number, it is likely a scammer gaining information from you. Never give out your Medicare information, date of birth, not your Social Security number, or any other personal or financial information, whether it's by phone or by email, especially if you're not the one calling. Remember, a Medicare representative will never call you first to ask for that. If someone is pushing for payment online or over the phone without sending you a bill, you may be amidst a scam. Scammers may call you or visit you at home in person pushing for another type of plan like life insurance, or attempt to charge you a fee for enrollment in a Medicare plan. So how can you prevent these scams? Hang up on anyone calling you about Medicare unless you requested the call yourself. Next, if you know your information has already been stolen, destroy your old card and call Medicare immediately. Never send your old card to anyone. You should always destroy it. Finally, consider fraud protection. My recommendations for the best identity protection is over at cyberguy.com/identity theft. You can see the reviews there and learn about more scams to avoid by signing up for my free newsletter.